Hello and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. We are going into the end of October here, Halloween. We got to know what the weather forecast is looking like, and a lot of ghosts and goblins out there. They don't want to have to wear a jacket or a sweater or a coat over their costumes. They want to be able to show them off. And you definitely don't want rain. Well, it's going to be cool. Let me I'll show you a week's worth of weather here, and this is the European model. Now, if you follow me on Twitter, I sent out a tweet 2 days ago. One run of the European model really wound up an area of low pressure and brought it out of the southern plains, and we had the threat for some strong thunderstorms on Tuesday. That has since looked like it's not going to materialize, which is a great, great thing. But we got a very warm weekend, and as I've been telling you, at near record-breaking low temperatures. I'm sorry, near record-breaking high temperatures. I think for this weekend. I don't think we're going to break records, but we're going to be awfully close. This is what we're looking at on Sunday. And there's the surface low. You see lots of winds coming out of the south and the southwest. That's really going to pump the temperatures up this weekend. You may even have to click on the air conditioner another time or two. But there are signs that it's going to get quite a bit cooler. See that? There's the old 540 line when we talk about the separation between the rain and the snow. Now, we're not going to have anything like that, but it just, when you see that getting into the United States, you can see Canada up here. When you see that getting into the United States, you're like, the cold season's getting here. All right, so this is on Tuesday, and this is what I'm talking about. Here's the surface low. I'll give credit where credit's due. The GFS actually led the way on this. There's the surface low, frontal boundary in here. What the European was doing was really winding up an area of low pressure and shooting it up towards Missouri, and had a very strong area of low pressure aloft cranking out, and there was a severe threat. Now just rain, maybe a rumble of thunder with this, the way it looks right now. I'm going to keep an eye on it, but it looks like a good batch of cool air coming in. So we're going to put an end to all the above normal temperatures on Tuesday and into Wednesday. And it looks like the European is trying to stall the front out on Wednesday, too. This is the latest run of it, so we'll see how this plays out. So it keeps it wet Tuesday and even into Wednesday. And then let's go right into Thursday. Area of low pressure, a new trough digs in. There's the area of low pressure right here. And the front extending. You see all these blobs that's showing amount of rainfall over a previous 6 hours. So you got a new front coming in next Thursday. And that leads the way to what could be the first frost for some sections of northern Arkansas, especially by Saturday morning. Now this, if this verifies, this is next Friday morning, Halloween. Look at the strong surface high here, the strong surface low here. You see the difference? You see these isobars? There's an isobar, isobar, isobar. Lines of equal barometric pressure. You see how tightly packed they are together? That means you're changing from an area of high pressure to low pressure over a short distance. And what that leads to, it produces very windy conditions. So you're talking about very cool, almost cold and windy conditions next Friday. And as that area of high pressure settles in, you see this is Saturday morning. The area of high pressure settles into Arkansas Saturday, November the 1st. So the winds lighten up. You see the windy conditions move away from Arkansas, and that area of high pressure at the surface sits on top of us. You're talking about some very cold temperatures and what could lead the way to the first frost for many sections of especially northern Arkansas. A week away, so much can change. But I'm going to show you temperatures according to the European. All right, so this is Sunday at 1 o'clock. And what you're looking at are isotherms, lines of equal temperature. And you see this one is marked 80. So you see this line kind of jagged around Arkansas. So you're looking at western Arkansas here on Sunday afternoon in the 70s, while the rest of the state's 80 degrees or higher. So let's go Monday. Let's go into Tuesday when that front comes in, that first front. So Tuesday's quite a bit cooler because this is Tuesday at 1 p.m. You got the 70-degree isotherm right here. So everything north of that, there's the 70-degree isotherm. So everything north of that's below 70, everything south of it's above 70 degrees, and there's 75 degrees. So you got the front coming through the state with clouds and rainfall. And I'd imagine, because the European model has rain on Wednesday, which I'm not sold on that idea, but it's going to keep temperatures quite a bit cooler. You can really see the effects of what the model is seeing as far as rainfall. Does the rain occur? It's a little too early to say, but the 70-degree line is right here, so everybody's in the 60s next Wednesday. So the above average temperatures, again, not going to last long. Let's go into Halloween now. This is This is on Friday morning, Halloween. There's the 50-degree line right there. So everybody north of that's below 50 degrees. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning on Halloween. There's the 55-degree isotherm. Look at this. There's the 32-degree line right there. That solid white line up here in the northern plains. Like I said, that cold season's coming. So by 7 o'clock, this is when the kids are trick-or-treating. And please remember, this is a week away, so it's going to change. But this is 7 o'clock in the evening on Halloween. There's the 50-degree line running right through western, just north of Little Rock, western Arkansas, central Arkansas. So it's between 50 and 55 degrees. That's quite cool. We're in the 40s in northern Arkansas. And of course, with that area of high pressure settling in, this is Saturday morning at 7 a.m. And it's showing the 40-degree line. You see that? South of Little Rock. So this entire area is in the 30s, and it's in the low to mid 30s, not quite to freezing across northern Arkansas. So there's the possibility that the winds lighten up next Saturday. Some places could see a frost, which is not anything unusual. That's almost right on schedule. So there you have it, everybody. Just to summarize again, we're going to have above average temperatures close to records. That is a possibility, I think, as we head towards the weekend. The time frame Tuesday and Wednesday, front comes in, could stall out according to the European, produce some rain, and then another stronger front passes through on Thursday, and that leads the way to a very chilly weekend if the models are correct. Well, again, it's a week away. A very chilly weekend starting Halloween, Saturday, and into Sunday. All right, thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.